go.
Hey guys, it's time to feed the cats again. And this is going to go a little like last night did, only Toby is going to get the Lickable treat, and Lexi is going to get the Creamy Delight. So, let's start with Toby. And we'll use the Lickable treat over here, right? For
yep.
Tobes. So, we are going to, open it up. Spill out there.
Ooh, look at that shrimp. Look at that shrimp.
My goodness. So, let's set this here.
And before we do the next one, we just wanna, thank you for all my videos, and look on the back of this stew. I'm not really sure if you can see that, but this is a lickable treat, so delicious cats lick the bowl clean, and we're gonna see if Toby licks the bowl clean.
Yep.
Does that sound like a good plan?
Sounds like a good plan.
Alright. Get that over there.
Now this is Lexi's, and it's by Fancy Feast. Creamy Delights Chicken Feast with a touch of real milk. And I know Lexi's liked milk in the past. So, we'll dump that right in there like that.
Poop dumplings.
Okay. Yeah.
Looks like poop dumplings.
Alright, so let's mix this up.
Pate, Daddy's gonna have to mush it up for Lexi because, she needs a half a can, but we're getting her the whole can because, she needs a lot of, things.
She needs a lot of
and I agree with Toby's because
vitamins and stuff.
I agree with Toby's because, his is much better than this. I bet both of them gonna smack it all over the place.
Yeah, it's all good.
Yeah.
All right.
Cream Delight.
Let's go. Should I add a little water to it and make some gravy?
No, not really.
Okay. All right.
All right, let's
Who's
feed the
first?
cats.
Toby?
So, Lexi is first.
Okay, Lexi.
And he's gonna get the Cream Delight. She's gonna get the Cream Delight.
There's some. Come on, Toby.
Uh-oh. Lexi. There we go.
Oh.
Oh my goodness, that is loud. Yes. I knew it was going to be loud because...
That could wake me up at night.
Yeah, it can. And Toby and Lexi is smacking too. Yep. She is. Wow, he's enjoying that. But he's licking his fur.
He is licking his fur?
Yes, he is. He just licked his fur a minute ago.
Yeah, I think he loves it so much
that he's going to lick the bowl clean.
Lexi Tootie Prudy, I'm sorry.
No. You Tootie.
Licking.
You Tootie Prudied.
I want to hear some licking over there.
Alright. She's enjoying it. Yeah, she's enjoying it, and he's enjoying it big time.
Well, he's gonna finish his.
Oh yes, that was a very short kind of food.
He loved that so much he started grooming himself.
Oh yes.
In the middle of it.
Yep.
Saying yummy, yummy, yummy. Probably wish there was more.
Yeah.
I need to give him some dry food, though, tonight, too.
Yes,
that won't be really enough to fill up his belly.
And
unless he eats the rest of this, which Lexi won't eat that whole can.
Yeah, I think so. And guys, I'm sorry, but we're going to have to end the video when Toby and Lexi get done. And I know this is going to be a super long video because it's a movie. And it is part 1 of the movie. And part 2 is very, very important. Part 2 is feeding them dry food. I know. Move. Yeah, I want to look.
He can't get enough of it. He's like, where's the rest? I wonder if he licks it again. Oh, that was good, huh?
Yeah, it was.
Thank Shane. Say thank you, Shane. Dad? You want me to pick up the bowl, bring it over there?
Yep.
Okay, you guys. Let's see if he licks a little more. No? Okay.
Alright, let's see what Toby did.
He totally licked
Oh my goodness.
it all up.
Oh my goodness.
He licked it all up. He
Look
loved
at that. He loved it, yeah.
Alright, success.
Lexi's loving his.
That was
Toby.
a success.
Toby ate the whole thing, and I am very happy. Daddy's very happy. And I love Toby. And I love Lexi. So, part 2 is coming in